Hi, little learners. Let's count apples together. 1. 1 red apple. 1, 2. 2 apples. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples do we have now? 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 apples. Let's count them all together. Point with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 juicy red apples. Great job counting. High five.